Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a harp. Let's start off by drawing a rounded horizontal rectangle for the base of the harp. Then, add a thin oval shape along the top like so. On the upper left, draw a smaller rectangle with a taller rectangle on top and an even taller rectangle on top of that one. Above that, add another thin oval on top. And two mirrored S shapes above it. Cap off the S shapes with a curved line like so. Then, add two lines curving outward and up. Cap that off with another curve and one last thin oval on top of that. Next, draw a long line from the top that curves out to the right, dips down and back up, and curves back down to the base like so. Then, draw that one more time but with a wider top that gets narrower towards the base. For the string, draw a bunch of thin vertical lines inside of the harp like so. Lastly, draw some music notes around the harp, one with two wavy tails, two with a double line connecting them, and one more with a single wavy tail. And now you've got a harp. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.